Marley and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this box is by Lovevery and it's part of a subscription box. This is my second box and it's for 3 to 4 month old babies. So they ship them every 2 months, and if you want to learn more about what they are, you can watch my other video where I kind of give the whole lowdown. And I also tell you about pricing to Canada and shipment and all that kind of good stuff. So yeah, check out that video. I'm gonna try to link it. There's like a thing on the top corner. If I can link it on there, that would be good. And so it comes with this sticker. So I'm guessing every box comes with those stickers so that you can do photos with your baby. So it came very organized. Since I already took everything out, I didn't put it back in it the way it's organized, but that's okay. So this is what you see when you first open the box. And then on the other side, it shows you everything that's inside the box. I'm gonna start with showing you this little package, this little packet that you also would have seen in the other box in my unboxing. So it just says the charmer and it's a play guide. So it goes through what each item is in the box and also how to play with it and when to play with it. And then some ideas of other activities that are developmentally appropriate for your baby at 3 to 4 months. So that's pretty cool. There's a lot of different activities. And I really like that because they're very straightforward, to the point, easy to understand. So this is one of my favorite things in the box. It is a rainbow teether. I've already tried it out with Isla. She seems to be liking it. I just think the colors are really pretty and cute, but Isla does seem to be liking it, and I think it's helping her with her motor skills and her hand-eye coordination. She is starting to bring it up to her mouth, which is great. I find that there was other teethers that she's used that are more easy to grab, but this one's a little bit more challenging, so I like that. So we've got some more contrast cards, and there are a couple of them. So these contrast cards are a little bit different than the ones in the looker box. These ones actually have distinguishable images, so images like dog, cat, trees, mountains, etc. It also did come with a mirror. It did come with something that you can put all of these images and mirror into, which I'll show you at the end. So the next one is a little rattle. So I really love this rattle. I find that the sound is not too loud and overwhelming. It's a nice little jingle to it. At the moment, Isla isn't really using this. She can grip onto it, but I'm afraid that she'll whack herself in the face, because I did give it to her a couple of times and she just like whacks herself in the face, startles herself, gets a little scared. So maybe when she has more muscle strength, she'll be able to shake it and have a better hold of it. Up next is this thing. So this is called a hand-to-hand disc. And what is it? It looks kind of interesting. You're like, how does my baby play with this? Well, it's supposed to promote hand-to-hand coordination. So your baby will start to grab this side, and then when they become a little bit advanced, they'll be able to grab this and let go of this side and hold it just with the other hand. So this does help the baby use both sides of their brains, because as you know, the left side of your body is controlled by the right side of your brain, and the right side of your body is controlled by the left side of your brain. Next up is the Crinkle Bag. It has an opening that you could fit your hand or your foot inside, and then there's another little opening. I'm not really sure what to use that for, but perhaps when learning object permanence, that might be something good. You could put something in, take it out. So this is not my favorite plaything in the bag. I'm just really not into the loud noise it makes. Too loud. I don't like the noise. But what it is useful for is allowing your baby to reach with purpose. So they will find this noise to be a bit interesting, I'm assuming. And if they see this this bright colored Crinkle Bag. They'll want to reach and grab it. Baby can also learn about cause and effect, so when they reach and crinkle the bag themselves, they will learn that when they make this movement, this sound appears. So that is what cause and effect is. When you do something, when you make an action, a reaction happens. So next we have, so what it is a wooden little cage with wheels shaped on the ends, and there's a bell inside. I think it sounds really pretty. And I believe this would be good for tummy time. You could roll it in front of your baby and they can hear the noise and look at the color. And yeah, eventually your baby will try to start and reach and grab. Isla's 3.5 months now. She's not into grabbing things yet while she's on tummy time. She is really good at grabbing things when she is laying on her back, but I would probably not give this to her while she's laying on her back because she'll smack herself in the face once again. What also came in the bag is this bigger mirror, and on the back there are some different designs, a cat and a dog and different things like that. This mirror is really good for laying down, tummy time, pretty much anything. I believe it's difficult to break this type of mirror, and it's not, doesn't seem like it's glass. So I think that will be very useful for Isla to have more mirror time. We've got lots of mirrors by now from all the different boxes. So, well, the 2 boxes. So we're good with mirrors. I'm sure the next box might come with a mirror too, but we'll have even more, which isn't a bad thing. Next up, I've got this rubber teether ring. I really like this ring. I like the texture of it, and I find it's really easy for Isla to take and put it in her mouth. She's been chewing on it a lot, and I think that maybe she's teething right now. It kind of reminds me of the thing that you use with a Ouija board, so hopefully we don't summon any baby demons. I think this was really exciting when I pulled it out. It's a soft book. So this book comes with a lot of different flaps, different things that make noise. It has a section for different textures, and a lot of places where you can put the contrast cards or put your own photos if you like as well. There's little pockets that you can put things into, and I'm excited to try this out with Isla. That is it for the box. I think actually, sorry, there's one more thing. So this is a book about talking, and it has a lot of different prompts to talk to your baby about. So for example, here's some prompts. So one says, let's talk about what makes our neighbor special. Let's have a chat about what you've done so far today. Blah, 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 blah. Tells you that having conversations, making eye contact with your baby is really important, and if you haven't started it already, do it now and continue on until the rest of their life. Because there is a direct link, it says apparently, to a baby's intelligence and how many words they were spoken to as a baby. So it's really important to start talking to your child at this time, your baby, and they will most likely coo back to you if they're after 3 months old. Maybe even, yeah, 2 months too. Isla started at 2 months. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it. I love watching Isla play with her playthings, and I love looking them over and talking about them a little bit, and I hope you liked it too. So if you haven't already, make sure to click subscribe and let me know what you think about this video down below, and my new username if you like it or not. Also give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone!